If there is a Kardashian who has a crazy love for cars, it's definitely Kim, as she owns a huge car collection. And why wouldn't she? With a net worth of millions, anything is possible. So, what are some of the most unique cars that Kim owns? Let's find out. Doesn't everyone go crazy after looking at the classic 1957 Chevrolet? Well, we don't blame them. This beauty is owned by Kim Kardashian, and it can cost up to $70,000. The beautiful car has a horsepower of 220 bhp at 4,600 RPM and a torque of 300 pound-foot at 3,000 RPM. It has a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated i6 engine. Kim has been spotted a lot of times rolling in this beast on the streets of Hollywood Hills. But that's not it. There are many other cars on our list, and the best are about to come. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to take you inside Kim Kardashian's crazy luxury car collection. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. As one can see, there are already so many vintage cars that she owns, and this one is no exception. The Camaro SS is a first-generation car that has a powerful 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine with a price tag of nothing less than $25,000. But wait, the list goes on and includes a Lamborghini Urus. Yes, one of the popular cars that nearly every celebrity owns. Urus is a package of high performance and luxury with high ground clearance. This Lamborghini is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which gives an output of 641 horsepower. The price range of the Urus is around $220,000. This is one of the most insane SUVs out in the world. SV Autobiography is one of the ultra-luxury SUVs available as of today, and is also one of the expensive rides in Kim's collection. It has a 5.0-liter V8 supercharged gas engine with 557 horsepower and 516 pound-foot of torque. This Range Rover SV Autobiography comes at a price tag of $209,500 and is only used when Kim takes it to meetings. The Veyron Grand Sport Batiste is the most powerful and expensive hypercar in Kim's garage. The car has a powerful 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, which has an output of 1,183 bhp and 1,499 Nm of torque. This Bugatti is around $1.74 million. Are there more cars? Well, we are going to discuss all of the best in her collection, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. One of the most unique supercars owned by Kim, the Mercedes Slr Mclaren, has a 5.4-liter twin-screw supercharged V8, which has up to 617 horsepower and 780 Nm of torque. This beast has a price tag of $748,453. The supercar is driven by Kim the most. Another unique car that Kim owns is a Wraith Rolls-Royce. It is powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine and has a price tag of $330,000. This is not the only Rolls-Royce Kim owns. She also has a Rolls-Royce Dawn worth $356,300. Ferrari is one of the many brands everyone wants to see in their garage, and Kim loves it too. The 488 Spider has a 3.9-liter V8 engine with an output of 661 horsepower and 761 Nm of torque. The 488 Spider starts at $280,900. In addition to her vintage red Mustang convertible, Kim also owns a Corvette Stingray convertible. The Corvette has a beige leather interior with an aqua blue exterior. Her specific make is from 1957. Any fan who wants to add this car to their collection will need to spend approximately $135,000. From this, we conclude that Kim not only takes interest in her fashion, but is highly informed, passionate, and crazy about cars too. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think of the most amazing car collection owned by Kim Kardashian? And which car was your favorite? Share with us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.